Why is Shiba Inu coin going down? And what's going on with the cryptocurrency market? Well, you came to the right place. We're going to dive into it, guys, in this video. Appreciate you guys for making me part of your day. I know you guys have a ton of options out there. Listen, guys, we're going to jump right into it in this video. We're not going to waste any time. Let's just keep in mind and stay calm because we have went up tremendously. Okay, the overall market is due for a pullback. The key is for us as retail investors, we can't freak out here. We can't say, "Oh my gosh, the sky's falling, sell everything." Unless you've reached your profit taking point, right? I mean, but if you're still playing the long game here with SHIB, this is not too crazy. This isn't something you should be up in arms about, freaking out about, and going absolutely insane about. But we are going to talk about some of the things that are impacting the market right now. And there's really two things that I see in particular. Number one, our fear and greed index is at 91, extreme greed. Anytime we see this number, guys, get into this dark green, we almost should expect a pullback in crypto. We have been bucking the trend because we have come down here a couple different times and really haven't had a major liquidation event or a dip in the markets. Now you can see Bitcoin's down 5%, Ethereum down 6%. We are seeing a lot of cryptos tumble. XRP down. Everything is pretty much painted red right now in the top 10, top 15. SHIB no different, down 3+%, actually doing a little bit better right now than Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of what they've given back. But SHIB is still in the threes. We're still at 4030 flat. And if we take a look at the chart, we are still consolidating. We came down to this level, wicked down to this level a couple different times. We actually even wicked down into the 2.9, all the way into the 2.5, 2.6 range back on Tuesday, March 5th, after we topped out at the 4.5. Now, we are declining slowly here, but as long as we can hold in this relative line here, and really I'd like to just hold like the 2.7, 2.8 level, I do think there's still some momentum when this market picks back up. But keep in mind, we're due for a correction. Now, there is something else that's possibly causing a little bit of a sell-off in addition to just, hey, maybe it's time for traders to take their profits, finally getting a pullback in the market. Remember, that's normal. Like these pullbacks, if you're brand new in crypto, get ready for crazy volatility. Even in bull runs, we'll see crypto go down 8, 10% in a day. But the key is you've got to stick with your plan, stick with your goal, stick with your long-term vision if you have one for that asset you're in. We did get some fresh data today, though. Bitcoin pools, of course, this year have been ready and hot and heavy here with the Bitcoin ETFs. But we're paying close attention to things like the economy and the Federal Reserve. We did get a little bit of a hotter than expected CPI yesterday. And Thursday's producer price index for February was yet another data point that perky inflation is proving far stickier than most expected. Inflation is still here, and maybe that's causing a little bit of fear in the markets. But I'm not going to go ahead and liquidate everything and sell out of my positions for a little bit of inflation. I've learned my lesson. The assets that I'm invested in long term, like Shiba Inu, that I want to see till the end of 2025 at the end of this bull run before even thinking about taking profits, I'm not going to let this impact my decision. Yes, the prices will come down in your portfolio, but today maybe is a good day to just kind of put the phone aside. Because a lot of times we get too invested and too emotionally attached. That's when we make bad decisions. But we did get the government report today saying PPI was higher by 0.6% last month, doubling the pace in January, also double economist forecasts. The so-called core PPI, which takes out food and energy, rose 0.3% in February, a slowdown from 0.5% in January, but still ahead of the overall forecast. So maybe this is causing a little bit of a liquidation event as well. And keep in mind, though, Bitcoin and crypto in general have been ripping. So there's probably just some selling happening that would happen naturally, plus a little bit of fear in the market. It makes sense to me why this is happening. And here's the thing, guys. Be ready, because this is the first of many dips, just like there will be many pops in the cryptocurrency market when prices go up. You can't get too high or too low. I made that mistake in 2021. I didn't have a plan with my investments. I let my emotions run my decision making, and I made a lot of poor decisions back in 2021 that I wish I could take back, but really I'm glad I learned and I'm ready and more prepared this cycle. So that's my 2 cents on why Shiba Inu coin is going down right now and my general thoughts around it. If you guys like the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe down below. Check out all the links, including my Patreon page if you want to become a private community member where we're talking about early alpha, some things that I'm looking at early on. You'll see it before anybody else. And you can hop into our Discord. We've got a ton of great people who will help you with anything related to tech support, just taking a look at your portfolio and different questions you might have as you're navigating crypto. The Patreon is a great place to be. If you want to join us over there, we'd love to have you. And if you're looking to become a better crypto trader and be alerted when, let's say, SHIB gets down to levels that might be solid to add on to, you could sign up at xtalgo.com. We got a great discount code running right now. Don't miss out on the gains and the fun we're having with the indicator. Links are down below. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.